Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out the top ranking products on the Alibaba application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the home icon down below, which is the first option. Scroll down, but first you need to select the products section at the top of the screen. Now you should scroll down till you find the top ranking section and click on this arrow pointing to the right direction. And here you will be able to see all of the top ranking products. Here are the Super September product rankings. As you can see, these are organized into various categories such as home living, natural, organic, fashion week, Halloween supplies, gaming, tech, smart home goods, and so on. So click on the relevant one that interests you, and then you will be able to select other subcategories such as home decoration, access control system products, locks, keys, balloons, alarms, and so on. And here you can also select how would you sort the results by, such as the most popular one, hot selling, or best reviewed options. And then you will be able to select from these results. So tap on the relevant one that interests you and get to know to a particular product. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.